The combination of Bluetooth 5.0 and advanced digital signal processing ensures your music and conversations remain exceptionally clear, even with significant wind and engine noise. This system provides reliable communication between two riders or a rider and passenger over an impressive distance of up to 1,000 meters. Beyond rider-to-rider chat, it seamlessly integrates with your smartphone for hands-free calls, GPS directions, and even includes a built-in FM radio for entertainment on the go. With a remarkable battery life offering up to 24 hours of talk time and a water-resistant build, this headset is engineered to last through long journeys in unpredictable weather. Installation is straightforward in nearly any helmet type, thanks to the inclusion of both a boom microphone for open-face helmets and a soft wire microphone for full-face designs. Its impressive universal pairing capability allows it to connect not only with other units from the same brand, but also with most other Bluetooth intercoms you'll encounter in a riding group.